In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cash App on Amazon. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so stick around till the end. Okay, let's dive right into it. Open your Cash App. Now on the home screen, the initial step to use your Cash App on Amazon is ensuring your cash card is approved. You don't necessarily need a physical card. You can refer to my other video for details on applying and ordering. To proceed, click the credit card icon at the bottom left. There, you'll see an image of your Cash App cash card. To view the entire card, click on the eyeball icon. Note down the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and 3-digit security code. You will need this information. That's all you need from Cash App. The remaining process unfolds in the Amazon app. Moving on to the Amazon app. I've opened it. On the home screen, to use your Cash App on Amazon, you first need to add your Cash App cash card. Click on the person icon at the bottom center. Then navigate to your account in the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find payments and click on your payments. In this section, you'll see your associated payment methods. To add your Cash App card, click on the blue Add button. Another drop-down appears. Select Add a credit or debit card. Enter the required details including the 16-digit card number, expiration date, security code, and the name of the card holder. Click Add and Continue. Verify the last 4 digits and billing address. Then click the bottom yellow button. The screen refreshes, showing payment method added. Now you can use your Cash App as a payment method on Amazon. When checking out, ensure you select the correct payment. And that is how to use Cash App on Amazon. Like if you like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.